Hello everyone. I'm going to show you in this very short little tutorial how to isolate your resources for your advanced search assignment. So the types of resources we are going to be getting in this assignment are peer-reviewed magazines and newspaper articles. So I just started right here on the library homepage and just typed in my search topic, which is student debt and education. And then I'm going to click search. And up here, it's already in books, articles, and more, but I need just peer-reviewed articles. So I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to use my limiters and filters. I'm going to click online because I want everything that's online. I want scholarly peer-reviewed journals, so I'm going to click that. I'm going to change my date. And then everything that comes up should be a peer-reviewed article. And you can tell it's peer-reviewed because it says it right here. So let's make sure they're all, yep, they're all peer-reviewed. And that's how you can tell you're getting peer-reviewed article instead of, say, a magazine article. So let's just click on this top article here. And then right here again, it says peer-reviewed. So you know that this is a peer-reviewed article. And then I'm going to just click on the link right here. And there is my article. If I want to read the whole thing, I can just click the PDF full text. But I am just doing this for my advanced search assignment. So right now I'm just going to read the abstract to see if it fits the topic that I'm researching. And then I'm just going to grab the permalink and click and paste that on my document. Okay, so however many peer-reviewed articles you need for the assignment is 2 for this assignment. Go ahead and grab 2. Make sure that they say peer-reviewed. Now I'm going to grab my magazine article. So I'm going to go up here and uncheck the scholarly journal articles. I don't want any peer-reviewed coming up. I want just magazines. So I'm going to uncheck the peer-reviewed. And I'm going to go down here and click where it says articles. And as you can see, peer-reviewed are still coming up. A lot of students make that mistake. They think that they're getting a magazine article when it's actually a peer-reviewed article. So what I'm going to do is go over here on the left-hand side, and I want to exclude all the peer-reviewed articles. So I'm going to click on this check mark, and that means I don't want any peer-reviewed articles coming up. I only want magazine articles. So let me click on this title. And once again, up here, it does not say peer-reviewed anywhere on here. And we can get the full text availability by clicking on one of these links. And then here is my magazine article. Here's the abstract. I'm just going to read that to see if it goes in line with the topic that I'm researching. And it does. So I'm going to go over here and just grab the permalink and then add that to my advanced search assignment document. Okay, so I have all my peer-reviewed, all my magazine articles. Now I just need my newspaper. So I'm going to go up here and uncheck articles. And you can uncheck the scholarly journals too. And then I'm going to scroll down here where it says resource type, where it says show more. I'm going to click on newspaper articles. And these are all very easy to tell that they're newspaper articles because they have the little picture of the news right there. So any of these should work. Let me just click on this top one. And then I can click on ProQuest. And then here is my newspaper article. One thing I do want to say about newspaper articles and even magazines is they do need to at least have 300 words in order to make a decent annotation for your final. Because if it's just 100 words, you can't really write very much about it. So here's a newspaper article, and then I'm going to go up here and I can click Cite, and then I can click All Options. And then for ProQuest, you can either take the full URL up at the top or do the citation, and I'll be able to find where you got that newspaper article from. Okay, so that is it. Just make sure that you get the right types of resources, the peer-reviewed, the magazines, and the newspapers. Then that's pretty much it for this advanced search assignment. Just get the right number of resources and make sure that they are exactly the peer-reviewed and a magazine and a newspaper articles, okay? All right, have any questions, email me.